Okay, let us solve this problem of inorganic chemistry. This problem appeared in JEE Advanced 2017 paper, and the problem is among the following the correct statement is or are. So we are given 4 statements, and among these 4 statements more than one statement can be correct. So first one is BS3 has 3 center 2 electron bond in its dimeric structure. Second one is AlCH3 whole 3 has 3 center 2 electron bond in its dimeric structure. Third one is AlCl3 has 3 center 2 electron bond in its dimeric structure, and the last one is the Lewis acidity of BCl3 is greater than that of AlCl3. So let us solve this problem and figure out the correct answer from these 4 alternatives. So pick up from the alternative A, which says that BS3 has 3 center 2 electron bonds in its dimeric structure. We know that BS3 exists in dimer as B2H6, and it shows 3 center 2 electron bond because of the deficiency of electron in the p orbital of boron atom. So BS3 definitely shows 3 center 2 electron bond character. Here there are only 2 electrons present and is shared in these 3 centers. We also call this type of bond as banana bond. So this is correct. Here we are having 2 electron and 3 centers. So A is correct. Second one is AlCl3 has 3 center 2 electron bond, which is also correct. AlCH3 whole 3 also forms the similar structure as boron. They all belong to the same group. So aluminium has also deficiency of electron in its p orbital. So here we will be having CH3, here also CH3, then here again CH3, again here CH3, and it forms dimer as follows. So here also we are having only 2 electrons, which is being shared by these 3 atoms. Similarly in the downward side also. So we can say that it also shows 3 center 2 electron bond characteristic. And in the alternative C is AlCl3 has 3 center 2 electron bond in its dimeric structure is absolutely incorrect, because we know that AlCl3 has 3 center 4 electron type bond present. Because of the vacant p orbital in aluminium atom gets filled by the excess electron of chlorine atoms. So there is the transfer of electrons from chlorine to the vacant orbital of aluminium. So we all know that this is 3 center 4 electron type bond. So we are having structures like this. So here the electrons are completely shared. In its dimeric structure we don't have a ternary chlorine, and similarly here also. So these bonds are higher of longer length as compared to these shorter bonds, because here complete sharing of electron takes place from the chlorine atom to the vacant orbital of aluminium atom. So this shows 3 center 4 electron bond rather than 3 center 2 electron bond. Now the last one is acidity of BCl3 is greater than that of AlCl3. We know that Lewis acid are those which can accept a pair of electron. So new pair of electron will go into 2p orbital of boron, whereas it goes in 3p orbital of aluminium. So since electron is going to 2p orbital and 2p orbital holds electron more firmly than 3p orbital, so we can say that Lewis acidity of BCl3 is more than that of AlCl3. This is also correct. First one is correct, second one was correct, only the third one is incorrect. So the correct answer to this problem is A, C and D.